You crawl into bed exhausted, ready for sleep, and then your brain decides it's time to plan your entire life. 2 hours later, you finally doze off, only to wake up drenched in sweat or wide awake at 3 a.m. If that sounds like your nightly routine, I've got you. In this video, we're going to talk about what's actually happening in your body during menopause that's wrecking your sleep, and the realistic, doable steps you can start tonight to fix it. But before we dive in, make sure you grab my free Menopause Symptom Relief Cheat Sheet. It's a quick, printable guide that helps you manage the most common symptoms. You can grab it using the link in the description or the pinned comment below. Hey, I'm Deja, and welcome back to Imperfect Wellness with Deja. Here, we don't chase perfect, we chase better. Because real wellness isn't about doing it all right. It's about learning to listen to your body and take small, loving steps that add up. If you watched my last video on menopause weight gain, you already know your hormones are shifting behind the scenes. Sleep is one of the first places that shift shows up. And once your sleep goes off the rails, everything else feels harder. So let's figure this out together. Here's what's really happening. As estrogen and progesterone levels drop, your body loses some of its built-in sleep support. Progesterone is known as the calming hormone. It helps you relax, lowers anxiety, and promotes deep sleep. When it declines, your nervous system stays a little more activated, like your body forgot how to fully hit the brakes. Lower estrogen levels can trigger hot flashes and night sweats, which wake you up in the middle of the night. And then there's cortisol, your stress hormone, which tends to creep up higher at night during menopause, making you feel tired but wired. It's not that your body forgot how to sleep, it's that your hormones are changing the rules. And here's the good news. Once you understand that, you can work with your body again instead of fighting it. You've probably noticed this already. When you don't sleep, you crave more sugar, you're more irritable, and your body holds on to weight. That's because sleep is when your hormones reset and repair. Lack of sleep increases cortisol, which raises blood sugar and triggers fat storage, especially around the belly. It also lowers leptin, which is the I'm full hormone, and raises ghrelin, which is the I'm hungry hormone. So if you've been wondering why you're gaining weight and can't stop snacking, your sleep is the missing link. Quick note, if you haven't already watched my video on menopause weight gain, go check that one out right after this. It'll help you connect the dots between your sleep, stress, and metabolism. I'll link it on the screen and in the description below. Step 1 is to set your body's internal clock. Your hormones thrive on rhythm. That means waking up and going to bed around the same time, even on weekends. Here's why that matters. Your body's master clock, called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, controls your sleep-wake cycles and hormone release. But when your bedtime changes constantly, your hormones get confused. Start simple. Choose a 30-minute bedtime window and a consistent wake-up time. If you're waking up at 3 a.m., don't panic. Try this. Get up, walk to another room, stretch, sip water, and go back to bed. Avoid doom scrolling. That light tells your brain it's daytime. This isn't about being perfect. It's about retraining your rhythm one night at a time. Step 2, support your calming hormones. Remember progesterone, the calming hormone? There are natural ways to help your body feel that same calm again. Magnesium glycinate before bed can relax your muscles and support GABA, your brain's calming chemical. Vitamin B6 helps your body make progesterone more efficiently. Herbal teas like chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower can also help ease anxiety. And here's my favorite imperfect tip. Instead of scrolling before bed, do one small thing that tells your body it's safe. Maybe it's journaling for 5 minutes, maybe it's prayer, maybe it's a gratitude list, or even watching something light that makes you smile. Your nervous system doesn't need perfection, it needs permission to slow down. Step 3, keep your bedroom cool, dark, and boring. Hot flashes and night sweats are one of the biggest reasons women wake up multiple times a night. A simple trick, keep your room around 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and use breathable cotton sheets. If you get night sweats, layer your bedding. Thin blankets you can peel back easily. Keep a cold pack or cooling towel nearby so you don't have to fully wake up to deal with it. And seriously, no screens 60 minutes before bed. That blue light suppresses melatonin, your sleep hormone. Try this instead. Create a wind-down playlist or do light stretching in dim lighting. This isn't about creating a Pinterest perfect nighttime routine. It's about creating a space where your body feels safe enough to rest. Step 4, eat to sleep. What you eat in the evening matters more during menopause than ever before. If you go to bed hungry, your blood sugar can crash around 2 or 3 a.m. and boom, you're awake. If you eat too heavy or too late, you'll feel bloated and restless. The sweet spot? A balanced dinner with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think grilled salmon, quinoa, and roasted veggies. If you need a bedtime snack, go for something like Greek yogurt with berries or a handful of almonds. Also, cut caffeine after noon. I know, but even if you can fall asleep, caffeine reduces deep sleep quality by 30 to 40%. Your 4 p.m. latte is basically stealing your REM sleep. Remember, you don't have to get it all right. Just start with one better choice tonight. Step 5, the imperfect sleep routine. Here's the truth. You're going to have some rough nights. That doesn't mean you're failing. What matters is how you respond. When you wake up tired, resist the urge to nap too long. Get sunlight early in the day to reset your body clock. Keep moving, stay hydrated, and remind yourself that your body knows how to sleep. It just needs your support to find its rhythm again. At Imperfect Wellness, we don't chase perfect 8-hour sleep streaks. We celebrate one night of progress at a time. Because when you build self-trust instead of self-criticism, your nervous system calms down, and that's when your body heals. Step 6, track and connect the dots. Start tracking how your sleep, mood, and other symptoms shift throughout your cycle or hormone transition. You'll start to see patterns, maybe hot flashes spike after stress, or your sleep tanks when you skip meals. Those little insights help you make real progress instead of guessing. And this is how you take back control, not by doing everything right, but by understanding what your body's telling you. If this video gave you even one, oh, that makes sense moment, hit that like button. It helps the channel grow, but more importantly, it helps you take that next tiny step towards change. And please share this with a friend who's been complaining she's so tired but can't sleep. She needs to know it's not her fault. It's just her hormones shifting, and she can absolutely get her rest back. Don't forget to grab your free menopause symptom relief cheat sheet in the description or pinned comment. It's your personalized starting point to feel better one night at a time. If you're here, your body's already whispering, I'm tired, but I want to feel like myself again. Keep listening. Watch my video on why you're gaining weight during menopause next. It'll connect every dot between your sleep, stress, and metabolism, and you'll find that video right here on the screen. Go watch it next. Like this video, subscribe to Imperfect Wellness with Deja, and remember, you don't need perfect sleep to start feeling better. You just need one night of progress at a time. And just a reminder, everything I share here is for education purposes only. It's not medical advice. If you're dealing with something severe or ongoing, please check in with your healthcare provider. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to feel well. See you in the next one.